Let's go see the room and then we'll go find something to eat.
So this is the hotel where we're gonna stay for a night. It's the
Let's go inside and check it
Manchurian
out.
Hotel. This is a nice hotel. Look at that thing.
So this is the lobby. And as you can see, there is a fireplace, a high ceiling. I like that exterior though. And I just love this. And that is the reception area. Look at all those decoration. This decoration is inspired by First Nation. These are handmade, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of meaning, whatever it is. I just don't know yet, but and this is the swing bridge. Just to let you know, guys, that First Nation are a group of Canadian indigenous people.
Kellen, look.
So we're going to find a room. We're in the third floor, and look at that view. And ta-da! This is our bedroom. So we have the cabinet, we have the flat screen TV, the microwave, and we have this Keurig coffee. I love Keurig coffee for some reason.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. You to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again.
Also, they have a mini fridge. And come with me here. Look at that stunning view. Isn't it beautiful? I feel like I'm in heaven. I can just live here if I can, but you know, we are like 10 hours away from home.
Your love by my wrist, and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again.
So beside the hotel, this is the Little Current Swing Bridge. So every 15 minutes, the bridge swing to allow marine traffic below to pass on either side of the bridge, while all vehicle road traffic above wait behind red traffic lights.
This is the
It's
North Channel
amazing
Swing
to
Bridge.
watch
We're
this whole process
leaving
from a special
Manitoulin Island.
viewing area.
All the way around. We're leaving. We're going to cross lots of bridges.
Yeah, this bridge swing.
We'll have the ships through.
Yeah, that was cool. And they have to wait, eh?
Yeah.
So we are still in the Little Current town in Ontario. And when we are driving around the town, I saw this beautiful painting beside the road. And it amazed me. So I did some research about it because I want to know, when I see new things, I always search and get some ideas. I found this is the history of people migrating in Little Current, and I took some pictures and I will share to you what I found out about. So this is the timeline of the Anishinaabe migrating the islands after the War of 1812. Next is the Centennial logo and town of Little Current. and far behind is a ferry, and that is the first car, and the swing bridge, that's the old swing bridge. And then the lodging industry. And this is the Thunderbird rising with the sunrise with flames.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. You to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you. Love is you, realize. Make you feel, make you feel, make you feel love again. I need you, girl, stay here lady. I need you, girl, save me lady. I need you, girl, baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes, oh no. I need you, girl, stay here lady. I need you, girl, save me lady. I need you, girl, come on, baby, let's go party, time to let it go. You are my only you, girl, my baby, girl, 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 girl. Come back, live with me, come to me again. Come on, baby, and let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you, realize.
See, we're just driving and
We'll just take a little detour here.
oh my
check
god, this
the
is
distance.
beautiful here. What's in here?
This is going into Whitefish Falls. I have no idea.
Okay, what was that? What was
cat.
that? A cat? So we're going to Whitefish Falls, and it's
I
just a
don't know.
little.
Maybe there's a.
Are you allowed there?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Maybe there's water.
That's a tiny bridge, and that's the. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're just trying to explore.
Yeah.
We don't really.
We don't really know where we're going. We're just checking out some beautiful places. Wow. I don't know. There must be a waterfall somewhere there, but we'll just turn around here.
That's very naked.
The trees are looking good this way. But we got a long drive home.
That's the falls?
I guess so, huh?
Oh.
I didn't know.
Oh, so this is where the fishing.
Look at the bridge, one lane bridge, wooden bridge.
So that's where it is. There you go. Nice, and you slow down. That was
I
perfect.
can't slow down the highway, sweetheart.